lovelies. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to share a get ready with me video. My husband and I are going to go out for a date night type of drive. He hasn't told me where he's taking me yet. So while he's getting ready in the shower, I'm going to put some makeup on to kind of doll up. So I've got a mirror in front of me and I have a few things laid out that I'm going to put on. So let's see how this goes. So the first thing I'm going to put on is this Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions mini palette. Pretty colors. And I'm going to use this Luxe 231 small tapered blending brush to do it. And now I'm going to start with this lighter color down here just as a base. Just kind of get it all over my lid. Now when I put on eyeshadow, I like to keep it pretty simple. I don't like anything too wild. But if I'm wearing like eyeshadow, then I try to keep it pretty tame on my lip product. But if I'm wearing like a colored lip, then I'll stick with just like an eyeliner and mascara for my eyes. I like simple. That's what I do. That's what I am. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this light red shade right here into my eye. I'm gonna try to keep it outside up because I think I want to do like one of the bright glitters for the rest of my lid. So let's see how this looks. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this shimmery red right here. Let's see, and put it on like the bottom part of my eyelid. Okay. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna use that darker red to kind of like go into that lighter red I put on earlier. Get some more color up there. All right. Now I'm going to put on some eyeliner. I have this Sugar eyeliner, Sugar Coal of Honor Intense Kajal. It's the blackout color. It's just a screw up eyeliner. I'm going to put that on my waterline as close to the eyelashes as I can get. What are some of your favorite places that you like to go out on dates? Let me know in the comments. I love going to the park. I love having picnics at the park. All right, so to finish off my eye, I'm gonna put on this Tarte Big Ego mascara, clearly in black because that's all I own for now. I absolutely love this mascara. It makes my eyelashes so big. Boom. Now the other one. I remember before COVID hit, my husband and I would always have a date night every week. We would go out for dinner. We would go out to hookah. We would go out to a movie. It would just be our little time together. I miss that. But it's nice to be able to still have some sort of date night, even if it's just like a drive around or a park. Like I said, I love parks. And to finish off my look, I'm going to go with this lip gloss, the Dream On Lip Gloss by e.l.f. Retro Paradise in Strawberry Daiquiri. That's mostly what the scent is supposed to be. I'll keep it very simple. Sorry about that train. We get trains here all the time. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it's constantly going. There's constantly a train coming and going. So yeah, I like to keep my makeup pretty simple. I don't really do the foundation thing. I don't really do concealer or anything, powder, anything. I feel like it makes me break out more. So I try to keep it minimal. My skin is decent already. So this is the finished look. Let me get you a closer view. All right. So like I said, keeping it pretty simple. Not really impressing anybody except, you know, my husband. So yeah, like I asked earlier, let me know your favorite places you like to spend for a date night. And until next time, have a wonderful day.